Then on number three, I think you really need to know how to close. I think most of the statistics says 45% of most of the salespeople, they don't even ask you for an order, which means you can have someone, you can pitch your idea, you can prospect, you can pitch, but you just fail to ask you for the order. So you really need to learn the skill of closing. If someone says the price is too high, you really need to know how to counter that objection. You have to constantly train your people to actually know how to answer these objections. It's most of the salespeople, they make a mistake. If someone says price is too high, they are going to justify to say no, it's too high because if you're selling water, because this water is from which source. No, that is not important. You're actually validating an objection. You need to first ask and investigate to see if it's a complaint, if it's an objection. I think most of you, if you have actually bought bananas from those vendors, sometimes you just see yourself complaining, even if the banana is dollar for 10, you see yourself complaining, bananas for $1. Why will you be complaining? Because it's a norm of a human being to always complain. We were taught to reject any price. I think if you see most of the business people, or most of the people, whenever you are buying, you are bound to actually resist the first price you are given. You need to ask for a discount. So you really need to know the skill of closing. That is very paramount. If you are going to close, you make more sales. So that is very key. It's coming at number three, but that is key. Know the skills of closing and you can increase your sales. Then on number four, I would like